Today we'll show you how to use VVDI2 with BMW BDC2 Adapter to read Immo data from a BMW vehicle. First, connect the adapter to the BMW-G chassis BDC2 module. You can refer to our previous video for connection guidance. With the 3 positioning pins, connection is simple and precise. Once the adapter is connected, connect VVDI2 to your computer. Then connect the BMW BDC2 adapter to VVDI2. Provide 12 volts power to the adapter. You can press the power switch on the adapter. The white light will turn on to help check if the pins are properly aligned. Once everything is connected, let's begin. Click on the BMW option. The device is successfully connected. Enter the G series BDC2 Key Learn interface. Click Get Key Info. Once the key info is successfully read, click Read G series BDC2 to security data. Take Process Wizard. Note, in Process Wizard, the system will do the next steps automatically. No need to click manually, making it easier and more convenient. Then click Backup Coding. You can view the wiring diagram here. Check if the adapter and module are connected correctly. Once confirmed, click Next. Backup completed. Remember to note the saved path of the coding file. Click Yes to enter service mode. Service mode entered successfully. BDC2 security data reading will start automatically. Reading completed. Click OK to save the BDC2 security data. Save successful. Next, proceed to the upgrade programming step. Once the upgrade is complete, restore the coding. Coding restoration finished. Note, when this attention appears, exit the current interface and go to Make Dealer Key. Do not repeat the process. Click OK. Close the BDC2 key data reading window. These are the complete steps to read Immo data using BMW BDC2 adapter. Next, we'll use the Immo data to make dealer key. Enter Make Dealer Key. Click OK. Load the previously saved BDC2 key data file. If you have the original key, click Yes to read sync data from the working key. If not, click No. And load the saved sync data. Place a new key into the detection coil. Then click OK. Dealer key generated successfully. You can now follow the on-screen steps to perform key learning. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.